Hello friends! Today we have a long-awaited new product for review, Samsung Galaxy A56 5G. Samsung fans are eagerly anticipating the successor to the popular Galaxy A56 5G. And now, the first rumors about the 2025 model are starting to surface. This upcoming smartphone is expected to be a game changer in its category, combining cutting-edge technology with an affordable price tag. The Galaxy A56 is set to feature a sleek and modern design, emphasizing lightness and top-tier ergonomics, ensuring a comfortable grip for one-handed use. Leaked dimensions suggest a size of 158.2 by 76.7 by 8.2 millimeters, and it will come in a variety of colors, including mint green, graphite, violet, and white. As for the display, the A56 is rumored to boast a 6.72-inch Super AMOLED screen with a resolution of 1080 by 2340 pixels and a 120 Hz refresh rate, delivering sharp details and vibrant colors for an immersive viewing experience. Powering the device is expected to be Samsung's latest 2.4 GHz octa-core Exynos processor, ensuring seamless multitasking, smooth app transitions, and a stellar performance, even during demanding gaming sessions. Speculation suggests the phone will offer either 8 GB or 10 GB of RAM, paired with 128 GB of internal storage, with the option to expand via a hybrid memory card slot supporting up to 1 TB. Whether you're juggling multiple apps or diving into intensive gaming, the A56 will rise to the challenge effortlessly. In the camera department, the A56 is expected to feature a powerful triple camera setup: a 64-megapixel main lens, a 12-megapixel ultra-wide lens, and a 5-megapixel depth sensor, complete with optical image stabilization. This setup will allow for 4K video recording at 30 frames per second, while the 32-megapixel front camera is perfect for sharp selfies. From stunning landscapes to intricate close-ups, the quad camera system will let users unleash their inner photographer. The device will be backed by a 5,000 mAh battery and support 45-watt fast charging. Whether you're browsing, streaming, or gaming, additional features expected include an in-display fingerprint scanner, microSD expansion, IP67 water and dust resistance, and stereo speakers. The A56 will run on Android 15, ensuring you stay up to date with the latest software. The Samsung Galaxy A56 5G is anticipated to launch in late 2024 or early 2025. While the exact price is still under wraps, it's expected to fall within the $400 to $500 range, similar to its predecessor. If you liked this review, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss new videos.